Hi, good morning, Year 8. So we are in our last week of this academic year. Where has this year gone? So, fun lesson today. We are doing Mentos and Coke. Hopefully, you have got left your Mentos. You've got them left over from your activity pack. So that's what you're going to need today. And if you can manage to get a bottle of Coke or a can of Coke, you'll be able to try this one at home. So what you will need is your bottle of Coke, just a cheap bottle of Coke, the cheapest one you can get, and your Mentos from your activity pack, a piece of paper, cardboard or toilet roll, something like that you can turn into a tube, and something just to stick it together would be perfect. So what you're going to do, you're going to put your bottle of Coke onto a flat surface so it doesn't fall over. You are going to get a piece of paper or cardboard or something like that, and you are going to roll that into a tube. This tube, like you see in the picture, is going to fit round your bottle of Coke, and that's going to act like a funnel. So when you drop the mints in, they will drop straight into the Coke without you dropping them in yourself. So it gives them sort of direction. You are obviously going to have to remove the lid from your bottle of Coke when you are ready to go. Do a countdown, drop the mints in, and then stand back. Before you do it, obviously, quick risk assessment. Obviously, we are going to be using Coke, which is going to explode out. If that gets on your clothes, it might stain, it might spill on things. So don't be doing this on the carpet in your lounge. That would not be good. You might want to put on an old t-shirt or something like that, or an apron just to cover your clothes. And obviously, if you were doing this in school, we would be wearing safety goggles. So do not get it in your eyes. You do not want splashback in your eyes because that would not be cool. So think about any risks or any dangers of spillages and stains. So cameras at the ready. Before you start, 3, 2, 1, Mentos in the Coke. Off you go. See if you can get a photo or some footage of it exploding. Okay, so the science behind this reaction is obviously our Diet Coke, our fizzy drink, is carbonated. It contains carbon dioxide bubbles. And as we put our mint into our Diet Coke, it causes a chemical reaction that causes the carbon dioxide to be released from the Coke liquid and come out of the container in like an eruption. What actually happens is a release of gas, and that pushes out, forcing out the liquid and up out of the bottle. So the candy, your Mentos, actually provides a rough surface. Although it looks smooth to the naked eye, actually if you looked at this under a microscope, it would be quite rough. And it is that rough surface that catalyzes the reaction and causes that carbon dioxide to break out from the water solution and cause those carbon dioxide bubbles to bubble out and erupt out from your Coke bottle. Your Mentos are also quite dense, so they're heavier than the Coke mixture, so they will sink to the bottom of your bottle, causing a faster, larger reaction. So now I want you to make a little mind map. So when we do an experiment, we always analyse what could we do differently, what would we do again or carry on with doing something, how can we make further experiments from this reaction. So it might be you decide to use different types of Coke. It might be you try this experiment with a different type of fizzy drink like lemonade or Fanta. It could be, instead of just using 2 Mentos, you use a whole packet of Mentos. So I want you to make a mind map of all the things you would do differently to improve your experiment or test your experiment further. So you've done your experiment, you've analysed it, you've suggested what you do differently. I now want you to share your picture or share your work you've done with us at school here. Email me direct, Miss Nixon or Miss Moore, and show us your good work. Thanks everyone, hope you enjoyed it.